Well, here I am in the shed at night time, and just thought I'd see why this GMC generator doesn't seem to work. And I mean, it's GMC, right? They're not that good. It's only I think it's meant to be a 2 kVA petrol, but it's old GMC. The GMC started out by an Australian Tasmanian guy, and it was really good junk. Then some other company took it over and tried to make $1 million, and it turned to poopies. Anyway, this thing was still running. I don't know how close I can get. Focus it in there. Oh, pretty good. Wow, hey? It was running. I had to start it with a bit of aero start, but then it would run. Now, the proof in the pudding will be when I put it back in, which is quite hard to do, poor design. Thank you, GMC. To see if it runs a lot better, because they told me that it would only put out half power, but good as a backup for lights or to take on a camp or whatever. I reckon I'm going to get full crankage out of this baby, and yeah, free generator for a dirty spark plug. Talk to you later.